I wish I had someone earlier to tell me exactly what to do and answer all my questions related to YouTube.
किंग का ओल्ड पैलेस देखा. वेलकम बैक टू माय.
Hi, for those who are new, I am Shreya and I'm a third year law student at Symbiosis Noida. And I started my YouTube journey back in 2022 when I got into Symbiosis and wanted to document my life. This is actually not my first channel. My first channel is my dance page where I post dance videos. So from jumping from first channel to the second channel, I have learned a lot. And if you are a beginner who wants to start a YouTube channel, you are at the right place. And today I am going to answer 6 questions that every beginner have. First, ask yourself, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? What is the reason that you want to start a YouTube channel? Is it just for fun, or you want to make a career out of it? Maybe you like storytelling, or maybe you like to be on camera, you love to speak, you love to talk. For me, the answer is I want to document my life. I travel, I make vlogs. I stay at home, I make vlogs. I go to college, I make vlogs. Next comes, what should I post? What is the niche that I should decide and post on? I mean, if you are unaware that what do you want to post on what topics, it is fine. Experimenting is okay. I post sit down videos, I post vlogs. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I know कि ये मेरी mistakes हैं and these are the mistakes that I'm not going to commit in my upcoming videos, or maybe these are some topics that people don't like and I'm not going to make videos on this particular topic. Instead of stressing over a niche कि मैं क्या post करूँ, कैसे post करूँ, think of what you love to watch. Make a list that okay, I am good at this skill. Maybe you love to teach, you're good at teaching, you're good at graphic designing, you're great at animation, you love to read books. If you love to read books, you can make a channel on review of the books, or you can narrate the story of the books, or you love to watch movies or dramas, so you can narrate those stories and make a video. So you have a lot of things to do, but first you have to jot it down on a paper. So in that way you'll get to know कि मुझे क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है, and मैं ये चीज़ पोस्ट कर सकती हूँ या मैं चीज़ पोस्ट नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Experiment till you actually get the answer of what your niche should be. Okay, Shreya, now we know that why I want a YouTube channel, or this is the niche that I'm going to post on. But tell me, how am I going to talk to the camera? How to gain that confidence to talk to the camera? Look, these are the steps that I followed, and you can also follow while recording videos or posting videos online. First, make silent videos. For example, if you are documenting your life, just instead of talking to the camera, शो थ्रू एक्शंस कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. मे बी आई एम चॉपिंग द वेजिटेबल्स, तो वो दिखा दो. आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट, तो वो दिखा दो बिना बोले, बिना अपना चेहरा दिखाए. इन दैट वे यू विल एक्चुअली गेट कंफर्टेबल टू यूज़ अ कैमरा, एंड उसको हाथ में पकड़ने का, उसको चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड करने का, यू विल गेट अ हैबिट ऑफ इट. सेकेंड, उसके बाद स्टार्ट वॉइस ओवरिंग द वीडियोज़.
Hi, I am Shreya, and on day one we had a dinner planned on the cruise, but इस दिन weather इतना ज़्यादा खराब था. But the next day was one of my favorite day because it felt as if I am in a Disney movie because it was so dreamy.
Maybe if you're going to the market, you can voice over that now I'm going to the market, and because of these things happening, I have to buy this. It's up to you. Do whatever you want to do. Once you are comfortable doing voice overing, start recording yourself just like I am doing right now. And once you are comfortable in all these 3 steps, you can roam around and hold as a proper blogger wala, and you can talk. I am still a little shy and I'm trying to overcome it, but these are actually the steps which helped me to make videos like these. Okay, हमने ये decide कर लिया कि हमें कैसे post करना है, but हमें ये नहीं पता कि हमें क्या post करना है. Like, I posted one video and now for next 2 months I don't know what to post. For this, I would suggest you to actually jot down the topics that you like or you want to make a video on. Maybe there are some upcoming events happening in your life upcoming months में. So you can jot down that okay, I'm going to a wedding, I'll make a vlog of it. Or maybe I am having a fest in the college, I'll make a vlog of it. So ऐसे ऐसे करके you can actually jot down things, and 2 चीज़ें तुम इसमें से निकाल सकते हो, 2 से 3 चीज़ें, and उसको beforehand you can record. If you are making a sit down video, you can record it beforehand, and आगे चल के you can post. यूज़ ChatGPT is very very helpful. तुम उसको बताओ कि I am this kind of a person and these are the topics that I want to make video on. Help me to structure a video, write a script for me. These are the points that I want to include. So tell me how to post, how to record. ChatGPT is शेफ किस. तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा ChatGPT in creating all the videos. One thing that I do is that if I get an idea, like a random topic, I write it down immediately ताकि मैं उसको एटलीस्ट थोड़ा improvise करके आगे रिकॉर्ड करके पोस्ट कर सकूँ. It actually helps a lot. ठीक है, हमें सब कुछ पता चल चुका है कि हमें क्या पोस्ट करना है, कैसे पोस्ट करना है, हमने स्क्रिप्ट भी बना लिया है, but we don't know how to edit. There is an app called InShot and I am not kidding. It is very beginner friendly and उसमें बहुत सारे effects हैं which a beginner can easily use. InShot is actually a YouTube channel जहाँ पे सब कुछ बताया है कि InShot को आप कैसे use कर सकते हो, क्या कर सकते हो, कैसे editing कर सकते हो. So use that YouTube video and उससे help लो कि आपको कैसे videos edit करनी है. If you want to go one step up, use CapCut, but of course if you are a beginner, first start with InShot, and जब InShot से familiar हो जाओ, you know how to edit things, then you can jump to CapCut. For thumbnails, refer Pinterest. तुम अगर मेरे दुबई के thumbnails देखोगे, these were all inspired from Pinterest, and उसके थ्रू ही Pinterest के थ्रू ही मैंने इंस्पिरेशन लेके इसको एडिट किया था. Again, I use InShot. There are other apps as well like Canva, PixArt, but InShot is very very easy to use. तो मैं उसी से एडिट करती हूँ. हमने सब कुछ कर लिया, हमने एडिट भी कर लिया, हमने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड भी कर लिया, हमने पोस्ट भी कर लिया, बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग व्यूज़. व्हाट टू डू? Look, first of all, I don't care for my channel if I'm getting views or not. I have given up कि मुझे views नहीं आ रहे, रो रही हूँ, क्रिप कर रही हूँ. It is okay. I mean, I have tried every single algorithm things that I have watched on YouTube and nothing is working for me. So starting में लगता है that you're working so hard, you are not getting views, even a single view, या फिर 2-3 आ रहे हैं, 10 आ रहे हैं. It's okay. Keep experimenting. Ask your friends or your family, your parents for feedback कि आप बताओ कि आप, if you were my audience and आप मुझे नहीं जानते personally, आपको मेरी videos कैसी लगती. Ask for feedback, work upon it, and you'll eventually get into it. It's okay. Every great YouTuber takes a lot of time to be at a position where they are right now. So it's okay. It's fine. It's cool. You are starting a YouTube channel and वो ही बहुत बड़ा achievement है, because not everyone is able to do that. So it is absolutely fine. And these are the 6 answers for your 6 questions. If you are starting a YouTube channel, comment down your channel name and I am going to watch it for sure. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.